Hi everyone and welcome to EMK's Coin of the Month. Today we are looking at the first coin in a new series called the Pirate Queen series. Now this coin is the Bonny and I'm very excited to be showing it to you for the first time. Let's take a look. Here we go, there's our packaging there. Bit of information there. We are going back into the era of pirate adventures and I'm really looking forward to this series. Let's take a look. So into this one we are starting off with a lovely gold coin. There is our certificate of authenticity. There you can see this one is number 26 and here we have all of our specifications there. It's $100. 1 ounce gold, and this is issued by the Solomon Islands. This is a lovely gold investment coin. Look at that little beauty there. Oh, fantastic. Nothing cooler than looking at coins with pirate motifs, looking at real coins of gold and silver. Just imagine what these little beauties would have been worth back then. Now, speaking of back then, we are going to talk about Bonny herself, who is, for this particular series, the first issue. She was born in Kinsale, Ireland, in the late 1690s. She was the daughter of Mary Brennan. Mary Brennan was a maid, and the daughter of William Cormac, who was a lawyer. Now, the family immigrated to the United States. Mary was meant to marry some other guy, some respectful salesperson, but she decided not to do that. She went for a seaman instead, John Bonny. So that's how she got her name, Bonny. John introduced her to the world of piracy, which she found very interesting. And something else that she also found was another guy, John Rackham. So on this coin, right now we can see Queen Elizabeth II, of course, but on the obverse of this coin, we can see their ship. So this is the ship from Bonny and John Rackham. And just hanging over the ship there, you can see his flag. And here at the bottom of the ship, you've got the very traditional skull and crossbones for piracy. And of course, some more details about the coin itself. Very, very cool. So that's the gold version. And just for a little bonus for today, so we can see them side by side, we have the silver version. Look at that. Nothing better than a bit of pirate bullion. Excellent. So we'll lay down the coin there. Now the silver version is exactly the same as the gold. Of course, you've got their pirate ship there, sailing the high seas. It's just the other side that's a little bit different. Of course, the gold is worth $100, silver's worth $2, and the mintage on the silver is 10,000 pieces. Gold is only 100. Now the gold is very close to selling out, so if you're interested in the gold, I'd get onto that very quickly. But here they are side by side. And I should mention, this series is an EMK exclusive. So go EMK. I think this is going to be a really exciting series. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you next time on EMK's Coin of the Month.